Look at Billy. He's a rock.
Hey, any one of you guys see my hat?
There it is.
Excellent. Hey, Grubba, you feel any different? Thanks, Grubba, that's what I thought.
All right, Gangrene Gang, enough fooling around.
It's jail time.
For you,